Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Sub Nautica in VR Oculus Quest 2. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So first of all, for that, all you have to do is install your Steam launcher. Once you have done so, you can simply come over there in the search bar and type in Sub Nautica. Right, so you can see whatever version, whatever game you choose, it all will support the VR. Go ahead, scroll down and purchase this game first of all, and then here you can see here in the tools section, you can see it is a VR supported for this particular game. All you have to do afterwards is simply connect your VR Oculus Quest 2 to your computer, and once you have connected it perfectly, all you have to do is access your library and simply launch that particular game of yours. Upon doing that, you will be able to access your game and simply right click on it, and then you will be able to find this option of launch Subnautica in Steam VR mode. All you have to do is tap on it, and since your Oculus will be connected to your device, it will simply detect and Steam will simply connect it. But remember, you have to launch it on your Steam. Once you have done so, it will be connected, and as long as you have connected your headset, everything is turned on, you will be able to connect it to your headset and you can simply play it on the VR mode. There's nothing that you have to do more. As long as you're running in your Steam, you will be able to use it and play it whatever Subnautica mod or game that you have downloaded on your Steam. So that you have to make sure of, and you are good to go. You will be able to simply use it and play it accordingly. So that is a way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.